some few analysis of the pair that I analyzed before on my last video. So today I'm just going straight to my first pair that I want to analyze. And the first pair that I did on previous video is pound dollar. So pound dollar, it's a kind of still ranging. I think pound dollar is still ranging. So in the previous video, I show you my analysis and the where I took that trade. So let me go to 4 hours. Let me go to 4 hours, and on 4 hour, this is how my trade performed. So on my last video, I was somewhere around here, and I told you guys that the market broke this zone, retested to this zone, and I told you guys I'm waiting for market to break this counter trend line so that I can take my trade to the downside. And exactly market break that counter trend line, and I take my trade exactly at the closure of that candle. I take my trade exactly at the closure of that candle. My stop loss was somewhere above here, and my first TP, as usual, guys, my first TP is usually at the 100% level. I think this place, at this place, that's was where I usually took my first TP. And how the market played it, market came straight to my TP, take my TP, I take 50% of my profit. Then 50%, I was hoping that the market might break this zone, retested, then came to this major zone. But unfortunately, the remaining 50% of my trade was taken out at a break even. But I already have 50% of my trade. That's why I told you guys the importance of taking your TP at the 100 level. When the market is at 100, usually take at least something, and especially 50% of your trades. Then the next, you will take it at the larger target, which is at this bigger zone down there. So what I'm expecting next on this pair, I'm expecting, you can see there is a level here. You can see there is a level here. So I don't need this line again. Here I cannot take any trade inside here because of you can see how the market range. So I will wait, and this pair, you can see there is a level here, here, and here. So what I'm waiting the market to come down here, break this. Sorry for that. I'm waiting for market to come down here to this zone, then retested. Then this is where I can take my trade from here to the downside, my stop loss above my line. And that's how I'm expecting next to take on this beautiful pair. If you can see also, you can see there is something here. If I can see from a distance, you can see there is a pattern. You can see there is a pattern. If you can see, yeah, there is a kind of a pattern here. What is this pattern? This pattern is head and shoulder. This is a kind of a, yeah, this is head and shoulder pattern. So what I am waiting the market to break this level, retest it to this level, then I can take my trade to the downside. Then the next pair that I'm going to analyze is dollar yen. For dollar yen, I didn't take any trade yet because what I was expecting dollar yen to do for me, it didn't do it. Let me come to 4 hours so you can see it clearly. In 4 hours, this is the resistance where I was hoping that the dollar might retested, retested up to this place. then I could take my trade up to this zone. But unfortunately, the market did not respect that. So uh, I didn't take trade. I was thinking of taking this, but it was too shallow for me. It was too shallow for me. I could not take it. I could not risk my money for that. So if you can see the market's just ranging. Market, I hope it will break here, come to this zone. Then for now, I'm not interested for buyers in dollar yen. I'm not interested in any buys for dollar yen. What I'm expecting for dollar yen to come touch that place, break to the downside, retested, then this is now what I'm expecting on dollar yen, because you can see for clearly, you will see there is a pattern here. You will see there is a pattern here. This was a pattern. This is a M pattern. You can see there is a M pattern here. First M, first level, second level. There is a M pattern here. There is this trend line. So what I'm expecting the market to move up, touch this level, break this trend line, retest it, because you see there is a kind of a pattern, small pattern here, retested this small pattern, and my Fibonacci to 60.1 level, then I can break the counter trend line, then I can now take my trade to the downside. So for now on yen, I'm not interested until I get some confluences for sales for short. This one, I was expecting this market might come up to here, but unfortunately, if you come to the 4 hour, you can see this market is kind of ranging. I took my trade from here. I was expecting to move up to upside, but if you can see here, the market is slightly ranging. So I waited the market to come to here, to this second to form something like a triple top. Then I see that this market is not ready to continue on the bullish move. So I exited this trade. But still, what I'm expecting that if this market could come again and retest, I can continue with my previous bias on US oil. This is US oil. I can continue with my previous bias on US oil. On US oil. So that's what I was hoping on US oil. So for now, I'm not in this trade, but I am hoping I'm waiting the market to break this resistance. First, if the market break this resistance, then I will continue with my bias on buying US oil. So the next pair that I want to handle is USD or Audi Chef. Audi Chef, I'm out. Currently, I'm out of Outchef. You can see this. The market is tanking. So I'm out now of Outchef. If you didn't see how I got about taking this trade, you can still watch my previous video. You can still watch my previous video so you can know how I took this trade on Outchef. So this is what happened, how I got out of this pair. If you can see that the market I took my trade around this place, market to TP1, this was my TP1, I took 50% of my profit. Okay, I took 50% of my profit around here. Then the market move, I take another 30% here. So I left 20. I thought that this market might come to the top. But if you can see the market come to here, come back here, then the market again come back here and form a pattern If you can see, this was something like an M. And if you know, as usual, M pattern also means that market is going to reverse. It's a sign that the market is going to reverse. So that's how that I draw this trend line here, touch first touch, second touch, and the third touch. Now I say if the market break this trend line, then I'm getting out completely of my trade. And exactly market broke this trend line around here, and I get out of this trade at around this place. I get out of this trade at around this place. But it was a good trade. I got a good profit on it and a good pips on it. So that's how I got out. For now, I don't have any confluence for this, but if I can see something, the market is still tanking. So if I can see something good on this, then I will let you know. Then I will let you know. That was on out out chef out chef. That was on out chef. Then there is some few pairs I also wanted to analyze. I see some kind of a good opportunities. So I want to share also with you so that you can add to your conference for this week or this month or some few days remaining. I can see this pair can be of good help. So the first pair that I can see some good setup is Euro NZD. Euro NZD, you can see these are my zones. Market touch here, touch here, touch here, and touch here. So this also was a very good base. It's a good base. So the market come in a correctional way to this base. Yeah, this support. So if you can see also market has formed a double bottom, and the market you can see here there it was a it was an M pattern. Market came retest, then came in a correction. So this is a zone, this is a zone, this is a zone, and this is a zone. So for here, as you know, always my confluence and how I enter my trade. First thing, how I do it as going to a larger time frame. Then I can see my zones. The market is already on my zone. That's one confluence. The second confluence, the market has break my trend line. That was the second confluence. And that confluence, it's a double bottom. That shows that it's a reversal pattern. So the last confluence, I'm going to 4 hours. I'm going to 4 hours. And on 4 hours, you can see clearly that the market broke. It break very well. This trend line, this was a sign kind of a descending trend line. The market break this very well. So what I'm waiting right now is I take my Fibonacci level, draw from the bottom to the top, then I mark this level. I mark this level. I mark this level. I mark this level. So what I'm waiting the market to come and retest to this level. I'm waiting the market to come and retest to this level, that I can take my buys to the top. And also if you can see from a distance, you can see we have a level here. We have a level here. We have a level here. We have a pattern here. So this pattern show me is a kind of a head and shoulder. This is the first shoulder. This is head. So I'm hoping the market to come and form the second head shoulder here. Then I will take the market to the upside, to the upside. So as you wait or your watch list, you can also add Euro NZD on your watch list. So if the market come to this place, you can take a buy. If the market didn't come to this place, my friend, just wait and look for another pair. Or if the market come up to this place and break this Fibonacci level, come to the downside, then wait here to take, wait to break here, retest it, then you will take another trade from the bottom. But for now, what I'm currently waiting, I'm waiting the market to come and retest here so that I can take my bias to the upside. This is where I want to take my bias to the upside. So this is what I am expecting on. This is what I'm expecting on Euro, Euro NZD. This is what I'm expecting on Euro NZD. So let's come to the next pair that I also want us to put in our watch list. This is NZD chef. This is NZD chef. As you can see, the market rate, this was act as a support. This was a support. Then it's also become a resistance. It also came to be a resistance here. And also here is a resistance. So the first thing that I want us to look is the market came to our level. So you can see this is a very important level. So the market came to this level. That was the first thing, the market is in our level. The second thing, the market break our trend line. You can see this was a trend line. The market break this trend line. So that thing on a 4-hour, what I was expecting to see, let me draw my counter, my Fibonacci level and mark my important level here. So what I am expecting on 1ZD chef market, market to give me this, market to give me this, market to give me this. I want the market to retest. If you can see very clearly, this is a zone. You can see also here, this is a pattern. So market break. So I'm waiting for retest, then I can take that trade. So that was for NZD chef. That was for NZD chef. Another pair I want us to look is odd JPY also have the same thing. Out JPY also have the same thing. This is a double top. This is a zone. This is a double top. Market broke this trend line. When I come to my 4-hour, you can see it very clearly. Market break this trend line. So the market is still tanking. I'm waiting until the market starts showing me the sign of a reversal. Then I can take my Fibonacci, whether here or middle here. Then I can take my Fibonacci, mark my 61 level. Then I wait for market to retest to my 61 level. Then I could now take my trade to the downside. So for shortly, that's also what I'm expecting on out JPY. So on your Confluence, you can also add out JPY on your Confluence. Then on Euro GBP, if you can see, I'm in this trade, but I'm not sure. I'm in this trade, but I'm not sure. But if you can see the Confluence, okay, this was a zone, this was a zone. So the market came to this zone, break my trend line, retested, then on a buy. But I will tell you why I'm not sure in this trade. When I came to 4 hours, you can see we have another level here. We have a very important level here. This level, market retest here, 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 and also here. So according to me, I thought that if I could wait this market actually to break this then at least my bias will be more clearly. But now what I did here, the market just broke this level up to here. Then on my Fibonacci, show me this is 61 level. I draw my counter trend line here and I take my trade there. My stop loss was below this level, and my TP, I'll just take my TP as I move up. But now, because of this level, I'm not sure if the market will break this level or it will drop to form another pattern here. This was the first pattern. Maybe it can come down and form another to complete this pattern around this place. So that was my fear. But because I'm already on this trade, I was up around to here, then the market came down and I see it's kind of arranging here. So for this trade, 50-50, anything that will happen, I will take it. Anything that will happen, I will take it. But if the market come and break this level and break above this two level, I'll be very glad. Then it came to retested around here. Then I will add another trade around this place and take it to the top. So if you have not in already on this trade, wait until the market break this level. This is a very important level and it's a very strong level. So for me, I took early, but I'm 50-50. Anything that will happen, I'm ready for it. But if market break this level on the top, then you can confidently wait for a retest and take that market to the top. So that's also my bias on Euro GBP. But if the market decided to come back and break to the downside, I will take my trade upon the retest. I will wait the market to shoot, then wait for the retest for a pullback. Then I will take my trade from a pullback, maybe around here to the downside, up to the downside. So this is what I'm expecting on Euro or GBP. So guys, that's my bias for this week. You can also watch. I usually post analysis on my Instagram. You can go to my Instagram and follow me on my Instagram on shama.fx. I call myself shama.fx. You can go there. I usually post analysis every day. Also on my Instagram, there is a link there. You can join my Telegram. You can find my link on my Instagram to my Telegram. Then you can also, I usually also post some videos and some analysis there. So thank you for watching and let's see what the market will give us. Thank you.